Welcome back to the channel. Today we're reacting to a tour of Miss Juanita Craft's home. Let me know in the comments if you know who she is. If not, she was a woman that lived in Texas, an American activist and politician. She was born in 1902 and she died in 1985. Now, before we start the video, I want you to consider checking out my second YouTube channel. The link is in the description box below. Help me get this video to 500 likes. And as always, don't forget to like, share, watch more videos, and subscribe to the channel. Now I want you to pay close attention to the details of this room. Let me know in the comments and please be very detailed on how would you do things differently. Remember, this woman was born in the early 1900s and she died in 1985. Me personally, I don't too much like the green. I would change that. The things that she have hung on the wall, not really my flavor. But let me know, do you like the green? Do you like the way she designed it? Would you change any of the knickknacks or would you put something else up there? Be very detailed. I want to get to know you. Also, if you notice, this is my very first time doing a voiceover. So please grade me in the comments. I'm hoping to do more of them. But I guess judging by your grade, that'll let me know whether I should or shouldn't. Now, as we move on to the next part of the room, you see the green continues, which, like I said, I don't like it. But I know some people love that old school feel. So let me know if you are one of those people. Also, answer a question for me. If you were such a prominent person, would you love the idea of your house being the same way you left it to where people can walk through as if it's a museum to get a taste of how you were as a person? Let me know that in the comments. Also, would you keep this table? Now, the table, the chair set is beautiful to me. I would keep that. But the knickknacks on the wall, that's not for me. Never mind who that person was. If you like or dislike the way it's decorated, please give me a like on this video and tell me your thoughts about it. I'm curious to know. Be sure to tell me your thoughts about this video in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like, share, watch more videos, and subscribe